Go, girl.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. You can shake your head back and forth too. There you go.
Allie, did you like school this year?
Do your crazy dance. Careful, speaker.
They're in year round still, right? Yeah. When do they get out?
July 9th.
Like right around 4th of July. They have some more in a while, huh? Yeah, they're gonna go.
No.
Yeah, but next year they'll be like
Careful.
Shake your head more than your body.
It's going 9 months now.
Keep going, keep going.
Do the headbang.
Oh, time's up. Let's see what you got there. 140. Woohoo! Good job. You go